Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to export animation without FFmpeg in Krita. If you don't have FFmpeg installed, you can still export your animation by rendering it as an image sequence instead of a video file. Open your animated project, then go to File, and click Render Animation. In the render window, instead of choosing the Video tab, switch to the Image Sequence option at the top. Krita allows you to export your animation as a sequence of PNG or JPEG frames, which works without FFmpeg. This method is also commonly used as a workaround when video rendering fails. Next, choose your file format, like PNG for lossless quality. Set your output folder, confirm the frame range, and click OK. Krita will export each frame individually. After that, if you want an MP4 later, you can import the image sequence into any video editor and export it from there. This gives you full control and completely avoids the needs for FFmpeg inside Krita. And that's how you export animation without FFmpeg in Krita. Thanks for watching.